Insert minifix on board 4 and 5. Attach plastic stopper on board 5. Attach drawer slide. Screw the drawer slide accordingly. Insert mini cam and dowel. Insert minifix, mini cam, dowel, and drawer slide on board 6. Insert minicam on board 8, 12, 11. Insert dowel in board 8 and 12. Insert minicam and dowel on board 2 and 3. Insert dowel in board 13 and 19. Insert dowel in board 7. Attach board 7 and 8 on board 5. Tighten the mini cam. Attach board 6. Attach board 2 and 3 to support the drawer frame. Tighten the mini cam. Attach board 11 beside board 6 and tighten the mini cam. Attach board 12 and 13. Attach board 4. Tighten all the mini cam. Attach board 19 and tighten the mini cam. Insert minifix on tabletop. Attach nail leg to protect the table leg. Attach tabletop on top and tighten the mini cam. Insert shelf support and put the board on top. Attach hinges on board 9 by using 𝐶𝗪 5x16. Adjust hinges to avoid door gap.
Furniture Direct, everything home in one place.